Let's talk about performance. With that twin-turbocharged V12, the Rolls-Royce Autocar is not just about looks, it's about power and precision. You might think a car this luxurious is all about comfort, and you'd be right, but it also delivers when it comes to driving dynamics. The handling is incredibly responsive for a car of its size, and the all-wheel drive system ensures stability and grip in any condition. The V12 engine provides a smooth, almost silent acceleration, but when you put your foot down, you can feel the power effortless and exhilarating. Whether you're cruising down a motorway or enjoying some winding roads, the Autocar handles it all with grace. So, after spending some time with the 2025 Rolls-Royce Autocar, here's the verdict: this car is absolutely in a league of its own. From its stunning exterior and ultra-luxurious interior to its jaw-dropping comfort and thrilling performance, the Autocar is the ultimate expression of automotive excellence. Yes, it's a pricey investment, but for those who demand the absolute best, it's more than worth it. Whether you're looking for a powerful performer or a car that makes a statement wherever it goes, the Rolls-Royce Autocar delivers in every sense. It's not just a car, it's a statement. Host faces the camera directly smiling. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more luxury car reviews. Let us know in the comments, would you choose the 2025 Rolls-Royce Autocar as your dream car? Catch you in the next one. End scene. Slow motion shots of the car driving off into the distance.